Hello boys, what is up? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, in our last tutorial we have already learned that how to convert repeating fractions into a common fraction, but I don't know whether you noticed that or not, but there we all solve the problems or convert all the fractions into common fraction from repeating to common fractions. In AB cases, there is 0 before the decimal point. There is 0 before the decimal point. But this time, we're going to solve problems where we will not 0 before the decimal point. That means we have more than 0. That could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 200. That doesn't matter. That couldn't be 0. Okay. So, to get the whole tutorial, stay with me until end. Okay, so we're moving. Now look, this time we're gonna deal with 5 point. We're gonna deal with what? We're gonna deal with 5.264. Look, in the previous problem, in the previous tutorial, the problem that is solved, there was 0 before the decimal point, but this time this is not 0. This is something else. 5, that could be 2, okay, could be 1, whatever it is. Okay, forget about that. Now 5 point, look, we can write it like this: 5.264, 264, 264. So how many decimals after the 0? 1, 2, 3. And how many of them repeats? All of the 3's. All of the 3's are repeating. Okay, so first of all we need to multiply this with what? Since there are 3 0, we're going to multiply with 1000. Okay, by multiplying them with 1000, we're going to have a situation like this: 5264, 0.264, 0.264, whatever it is. You can do that by yourself, because ultimately we are multiplying the right hand side, not the left hand side. Left hand side remain as it is. You learned it in the earlier tutorial. Now look, by doing this one, what are you going to have? We're going to have, again we need to multiply with 1, and what are you going to have? We're going to have a result: 5.264 into 1000 minus 1 is equals to, sorry, it's my mistake, I do not put down equals in here. 5264 minus 5. 5264 minus 5. So if we just mark them with different color, multiplication with 1 with green, multiplication with 1000 in gray. Okay, so now we can find the difference, and multiplication with this gonna be orange color. So we have a situation like this. Now all you need to do to find this value, that is why we'll keep this on the left hand side and to move all others on the right hand side. Okay, so let's move to do that. So look here, by doing what you're gonna have, we have a situation like this that we have seen earlier. Now from here, what are you gonna have? We're gonna have a situation like this. Look, 1000 minus 1 is gonna be 999. So we're gonna shift 999 on to the right hand side, because we need to find the value of this one only. So since this is in multiplication form, when this will be shift on the right hand side, that will be divide, that will be in the denominator. This position gonna be denominator. Okay, now look here, what are you gonna have? So by transforming 999 on the right hand side, now we are in a common fraction form where the numerator is 5259, because 5264 minus 5, it gives us a result 5259 divided by 999 as it is. And look, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 9 12 plus 9 21. So this is divisible by 3, that is why, and this is also divisible by 3. So by simplifying them, we got a result 5.264 recurring. 5.264 recurring is 1753 divided by 333. So this is our desired result. This is our desired result. If we're gonna mark it, for your clarification, then you can see So you can see the result in the red portion, that our required result is 5.264 is equals to 1753 divided by 333. But okay, now we have two previous tutorial on this chapter. Now we're going to have the third tutorial. So there is a link between them. There is a link between them. Okay, let us find the link. Let us find the link. Okay, I'm gonna unmark it. Okay, now we need to find the link. What is the link between them? So finding the link, what is the situation here? We have a situation here, 5264 minus 5 divided by 999. But look, what we learned earlier in our previous tutorial, we learned, suppose this is 0, so ultimately 264 divided by 999. This one we get from our previous tutorial. Okay, I am gonna show it with a different color so that you can distinguish between them. Okay, now look, here we have a shape like this and this one like this. So we will have a confusion. There are so many procedures, and how can we recall all the procedures? How can you keep all the procedures in our mind, right? But basically they're the same thing. Don't you believe it? Okay, look, I'm assuring you they're the same thing. So if you just know one thing, you can solve all of them. Okay, look here, what is the part here? 0. Look, what is the part here? 5. So 5 is placed before. So what is here? 0. Okay, put down 0 before. Now what is subtracted? The term before the decimal, right? Now we're gonna subtract. What are we gonna subtract? The term before the decimal. What is the term before the decimal? 0. Ultimately, what do we get? Ultimately, this one is equals to look here, ultimately this one equals to 0.264 divided by 999 that you learned earlier. Still you can't believe it? Okay, go for another example. Okay, suppose I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one because the alternation of colors, so that you can distinguish between them very easily. Okay, I'm marking this with red. Okay, now if I write down here just 3, what? 3. Now what is the digit before decimal? What is the digit before decimal? The digit before decimal is 3. So what will be placed here? That will be replaced by 3. That is said earlier, that 0 replaced 0. Okay, now what do we need to subtract? The digit before the decimal. So what is the digit before the decimal? The digit before the decimal is 3. We're going to subtract it, and what are you going to have? Okay, let us see what are you going to have. Then we're going to have 3264 minus 3. It gives us a result of 3261. So look here, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. So this is divisible by 3. By dividing, we're going to have a result. By dividing this with 3, we're going to have a result. Okay, the result gonna be 1087 divided by 333. Oh. If this is not divisible, or divisible, then that doesn't matter. You need not to so much worried about that. All you need to do, you just need to convert. If you keep your answer up to this line, you will be given 4 marks. If you keep it up to this, you will be given 4 marks. If that is divisible and you're gonna divide, then okay, divide. Like this one gonna be divide. So by dividing 6 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 264 can be divisible. And by dividing, what are you gonna have? We're gonna have the 88 divided by, so there it is. So look, ultimately what do you need to do when we are asked, this is for the MCQ portion. If this is a 4 mark question, you need to show all the steps. But if for MCQ, then it's so time killing to show all the procedures, to solve it through the procedures, because that will take a huge time. Rather than doing that on, you just need to focus on here. Look what you need to do. We need to do the whole number, that means the given number, minus the fractional part. Look, the whole number minus the part before the decimal, or the digit or digits. There could be more digits, that could be 15 instead of 5. Okay, the total number, as you can see on the right side, minus the number before the decimal, or the digits before the decimal, divided by 1, 2, 3, 3 digits after decimal, 999. There it is. So I hope now your confusion is over, if I am not wrong. I hope your confusion is over. So if you understand this 3 chapter, if you really understand this three tutorials, sorry, not chapter, if you really understand these 3 tutorials, then you can convert all the repeating or recurring fractions, or recurring or repeating decimals, into common fractions. Okay, there are another part or another types that you need to convert, that we will discuss that type in our next tutorial, inshallah. But till then, solve all of the problems related to these 3 tutorials. Okay, so wait for the next tutorials. Till then, stay home, stay safe until the further instruction from the government during this COVID-19 outbreak. And please keep praying for me and keep staying with me. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.